Hi, it's Jen and Tammy with an amazing project by Wilmington. This is called Interlocked, and when I saw the project, I said, Tammy, I want to make this project, and they make these really cool essential gem packs. Wilmington puts these together, 24 pieces of fabric.
24 strips.
I went actually away on vacation, came back, and she had this amazing quilt already made. And we got ready to do video, and she's explained to me how to do this, and I thought, you know what? Why don't I just let Tammy tell it to you firsthand, and I'm not here at all. You're doing such an amazing job. Our customers love you, Tammy, and we would love to get some feedback from you. You're such an amazing teacher, fun person to be around, that I'm just going to let you have it.
Okay,
so
I can do that. All right.
You're on your own.
All right, I can do that. All right, so like Jen said, we are going to use a Yankee Doodle Essential Gem Pack, which is 24 strips. The other thing that you need is 1 1/3 yards of background, 5/8 yard of a border fabric, and 5/8 yard of a binding. This pattern is available as a free download on our website. This pattern is by Wilmington Prints, and they have graciously agreed to let us put this on our website. So it is on the free download. You can get a link to that right below this video. Take you right to our homepage for videos and downloads. So let's get started. So I've taken my strips and I've laid them all out. The important thing is, don't cut this quilt when you're tired or when you're half asleep. You will need all of your strips, and you're going to need everything that's in the strip. And I'm going to show you what you need. Let me adjust my machine here. So I have 2 strips stacked up here, and I'm going to take my salvages off. And I'm using my little Creative Grids 4.5 by 8.5 inch ruler. I love this little ruler. I'm cutting 4.5 inch rectangles, and guess what? This is 4.5 inches wide. So that makes it super simple. I need 6 of them, so I'm cutting 2 at a time. And I'm just gonna do this quickly here, like that. And now I'm gonna cut 6 2.5 inch squares, same way. And you can see my strip is dwindling. There we go. This is all I have left, okay? So now I'm going to take my fabrics and I'm going to sort them by color, because you want to keep your colors together because your blocks are all the same fabrics. So I have my blues together, my reds together. We're going to sort these out like this, so we have them all nice and neat. And then we will cut our background and we are ready to start sewing. So we're going to put these here and here. For our backgrounds, I am cutting a 7-inch squares, and that is going to be our setting triangles back here. So we cut a 7-inch square, and I'm going to take my spinning mat, which I love, and I'm going to lay them on here, and I'm going to cut them corner to corner. And then I'm going to rotate my mat. Look how nice that is. Didn't disturb my fabric at all. And I'm going to cut corner to corner again, just like that. And our triangles are ready to use. I have also cut ahead of time some 2.5 inch squares in my background fabric. Okay, so now let's get sewing. So we're going to lay out a block, and we're going to do the blue one. So we're going to have our square, our background square, and a rectangle, just like this. Okay, so we're going to put our square together, and I'm going to put a 1/4 inch seam in this. Here we go. And I'm going to press this towards the colored square, not towards the background. I want this to go towards the blue, okay? The dark blue. They're both blue. Okay, all right. Now, if you check in your pattern, you'll always be able to see this is your diagram right here for putting your blocks together. So this is going to go like this. This goes here. And now we're going to add our rectangle on. This quilt goes together so quickly. This is easily a 2-day project. You can easily do this in a weekend. This is so quick. This is all there is to your block right here. This is it. We're going to press this again, set our seam a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Here's your block. Done. Okay, so we're going to make 142 of those. We're going to arrange them on I put mine on a design wall, and I'm going to put them diagonally is how you're going to assemble these rows. So I laid all of these blocks out, got my colors where I wanted them. I made my points match. So I have my colors point to point here, like this. And then I sewed it all together diagonally, and we did our borders and our binding, and we're done. That's quick and easy. If you mess up one of your strips, and I know that happens sometimes, what I did is we included enough fabric in the border and in your binding so you do have a screw-up strip, just in case. All right? I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. Look for a lot of Wilmington essential gems. We have lots of different colors available. The pattern shows all kinds of different fun stuff to do with these, and you'll see more of us with this project. Thank you.